In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you can create a proposal document and a legal contract at the same time. This is good for when you are using our Proposal Kit Professional or a proposal pack with a legal contract pack collection. So this is not for if you only have a single entry-level proposal pack. The contracts are included in the Pro version or the extra legal contract pack templates. Now, that said, the individual proposal packs will have a handful of contract work order templates, 3 or 4 of them, but those are added through the document project, and those will be built into your document. So that's a different way of getting a basic contract. We're talking about the packages of legal contract documents. So we're going to illustrate this as a web design company, since a lot of our contracts in the ProKit are IT software based. And we've picked a Web 4 graphic design theme. Now you could use any graphic design theme or your own custom design theme, so the design theme is really irrelevant. So you'll just go into Document Projects. Whenever you're going to create a new document, whether it's a proposal, contract, or so on, you just click the Add New Project button and select your documents in the Pick Documents screen. So we're just going to pre-select a web design layout. Now this set of templates here, this is for a long software and website development project for the proposal, but what about the contract? So go over to the Add a Contract tab, and this is where you'll find the contracts that are in the professional package or individual contract packs. So with the professional, you'll see Contract Pack Pro selected. Otherwise, you may see any one of these add-on packs if you've purchased an individual contract pack. So in this example, we're just going to be doing a website development project. And this drop down here is all of the contract templates included in the professional. There's hundreds included. And I'll just pick a website development contract. Now, when you're adding a contract, you have some options here, whether you want the contract included in the actual proposal document itself, so everything is combined into a single document, or if you want the contract created separately. So in this case, a lot of people will create their proposal and contract at the same time to save time later. And then if they get the contract, then the contract's already ready for them to edit and sign. You can always add a contract later, but we're showing you how to do it everything at once. And these checkboxes here will control the visual design and whether you want the contract separate or included in the proposal. And then if it's separate, whether you want some of the proposal kit design theme elements added to it. So we've left the defaults here, so it's going to be created as a separate document, and it will have some graphic design theme from the Web 4 design theme pulled into the contract document that's generated. So we click the Add button. Now you'll see the contract and terms template is selected with the web development contract attached to it, and since it's over in this side, any templates selected over in this box will be separate documents. So things over here will be like contracts, letters, checklists, and so on. Everything in here, these are the individual chapter templates that are all assembled together into the proposal document. So you have your proposal here, you have your contract here. Click OK. And we're back on the project screen, and you'll fill in, say, the company data. Anything you fill into this screen will be included into various parts of the documents that are generated. Anything in the client data screen this will be your client information, usually the name and address, contact information that will be put into the documents. So when you get all your data input, you have your template selected, click OK, Save Project. Now the wizard is going to build the contract and proposal all at the same time. Okay, now the proposal and contract have been generated. We'll just open those up and take a look at them. So you see the proposal will be in the combined project document and the contract will be a separate document. We'll open both those up. Now we did link these to the spreadsheets. So any cost or estimate spreadsheets will be linked to an Excel spreadsheet calculator. So you can see the contract, it pulled in the color scheme and the graphic from the design theme into the contract. Pulled in the accent graphic. It merged this data from the company data screen. Now if we had filled in the company data screen and client data screen, these tags would have been filled in automatically by the wizard as well. So you can see the web development contract here. The wizard's also appended all the referenced exhibits, and that's ready to edit. And the proposal is over here in a separate document in the Web4 design theme. And that is how you create a contract and a proposal at the same time together. Now, if you had skipped adding the contract now, you can always use these buttons below to add the contract after the project's been created. So if you had skipped adding this contract here, using the Pro Kit, you could just click this Add Legal Contract, select the same template from this list, add to your project after the fact. So this is a good button to use when you want to add additional contracts after a project's been created. So let's say we want to add a project acceptance sign-off form, say after the project's been created and we want to sign off from the customer. We can just add that, and it'll build that document into the project, and so on. So that covers how to create proposals and contracts together, or add contracts after the fact. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.